Hi everyone, and welcome to our online event, Freight Collab for Business Growth, Tutorial and Members Benefits Overview. I'm Kian Karim, the CEO and co-founder of Freight Collab, and I'm so excited to be your guide today. First off, I want to say a big thank you for joining us. We know you have got a lot going on, and we are really grateful that you are here to learn more about Freight Collab, digital freight collaboration platform. Our goal is to show you how Freight Collab can help you to boost your business. And we have put together a fun and informative event that will walk you through everything you need to know about Freight Collab. We will cover its features, share some real world examples, and talk about all awesome benefits you will get as a premium member. By the end of this event, you will have a clear understanding of how Freight Collab can transform your business and take it to a new heights. Also, we will have a Q&A session toward the end of the event where I will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. So feel free to note down your questions as we go through the presentation. So once again, welcome and thanks for being here. Let's dive in and discover the amazing world of Freight Collab together. So in this presentation, I will cover these agenda: who we are and what is Freight Collab, what you can do in Freight Collab, and what are the benefits of Freight Collab for you. And as I mentioned at the end of the presentation, we will have a Q&A session that I will answer all of your questions that you may have. So before I get into the details of Freight Collab, let me give you some background on our story. My brother and I co-founded two companies, Paru in the USA and CircleBit in the UAE. Both these companies aim to empower businesses by providing cutting-edge software products. That's where Freight Collab and O-Freight come in. Freight Collab and O-Freight were born out of our passion for innovation and our commitment to help freight and logistics companies to grow their businesses faster and easier using edge technology. But today, we are going to focus especially on Freight Collab, which I'm sure that many of you are here to learn about it. So let me tell you what is Freight Collab. Freight Collab is an exclusive global network of reliable, active, and visionary freight forwarders and logistics companies around the state-of-the-art digital platform. It helps them to expand their businesses and build strong relationships in a futuristic, exclusive digital freight network. As you can see here with the red, Freight Collab only accepts a limited number of companies per country as premium member. What it means that in each country we have only a limited number of premium members. For example, in UAE we only have 5. In USA, we only have 5. In China, we only have 10. In India, we only have 10. In Turkey, we only have 5. And these are the maximum limit of members that we accept in Freight Collab. And for example, in UAE, we accept only 5 members. And right now we have 2 premium members, so only 3 slots remain. And this is how Freight Collab works. We are not going to get more members, and so at the end, our events be many people there, make a mess. No one can see each other. No one know each other. We don't want to make this. We wanted to make Freight Collab an exclusive network which help members to make personal relationship, to make close professional relationship. And yeah, this is how Freight Collab works. So what you can do in Freight Collab? Freight Collab, by becoming a member, you can present your company in the most visionary, futuristic network of global freight forwarders and logistics companies. So you can present your company in a very reliable network. You can announce your services and share your thoughts through the wall that we will launch in the next week. Like LinkedIn, you can connect with members and you can do messaging there. So it works like social media inside the platform. What is that is very important to know that you can send and receive inquiries inside the platform. And also we have freight and logistics companies there, and also we have traders and manufacturers. So both type of companies are there. Later I will let you know how freight sellers, which are freight forwarders and logistics companies, and how traders and manufacturers works in Freight Collab. You should consider that with one single click, you can send multiple freight inquiries to many members. I will explain you in details later in this presentation. So after you send your inquiries and receive offers from the freight sellers, from the premium members, you can compare fees. You can choose the one that you wanted to work and negotiate with them inside the platform and book the shipment inside the platform and make a digital agreement. This digital agreement will help you when we launch our safe international payment infrastructure. I'm pretty sure that it will be very helpful for you when you can transfer money easily through Freight Collab. I will later, when we launch it, we will go to the details of this feature. As I explained, we have a limited number of premium members per country. As I mentioned, we have unlimited verified buyers. These dots, these are representing verified buyers, and these P's are representing a premium member in a country. As here, for example, imagine it's the UAE, and imagine these are the traders and manufacturers that they are in the UAE. You know that they are much more, but I couldn't bring more B's here. So this feature of platform enable us to make sure that these premium members receive a lot of opportunities out of our platform. And this is our this is our mission. This is our mission. We wanted to bring enough high quality opportunities, leads, and inquiries to our premium members. And this specific feature of Freight Collab help us to do this. Please sign up now, sign up for free, and check this feature. It is very important to feel the Freight Collab by yourself. Here, as you can see, you when you sign up for free, you will have a limited time of trial, so you will feel you can see how it works. Later, it will be limited for you till you become a premium member. But in the Find New Agents section, you can search with the name of the members and also countries of the members. For example, if you write United States, you will see the premium members on top and the rest of free members at down. I should tell you that the free members can almost nothing to do there. They just have a profile, and for them it's like a directory. Their name is shows, but they cannot connect to anyone. They cannot answer any inquiries, and they don't have any premium badge. But the premium members, they have the premium badge. Their name will be on top of others. And so freight buyers and anyone that wants to find reliable partners they can easily reach them. This is a very important and useful feature of Freight Collab, which you can send multiple inquiries with one click. How it works, you can select send to all Freight Collab members at origin, or select send to all Freight Collab members at destination. What it means, for example, this inquiry is from Jebel Ali in UAE and New York to United States. When I tick both of these boxes, these inquiry will send to all premium members and members in Jebel Ali and in the USA. But if you wanted to send this inquiry to multiple agents that you know, you just write their names. If you are already connected with them, their name will show and you can select them. Here is the analytics and reports of Freight Collab, which you can see what is going on inside the platform. You can see that there are 1,783 freight inquiries already generated inside the platform till yesterday, because I put this slide yesterday, and they are 85. The members are from 85 countries, and there are over 14,000 connections has been built inside the platform. These colors, as you can see here, or you may not see because it's very small, you can check it inside the platform by yourself, but it shows the number of the freight forwarders that providing specific services. For example, green represent the FCL service providers, and in the map section you can see what is the distribution of the members inside the platform. The darker color means the more agents there, and for example, and when you hold your pointer on each specific country, you can see the number of members there. For example, here we have 67 agents, premium and free members from the United States till yesterday. As I explained to you earlier, Freight Collab, we have another product called O-Freight. O-Freight is an all-in-one collaborative freight forwarding software powered by AI. It's collaborative, which means that the internal organization, all employees, all colleagues can collaborate inside the platform on inquiries and shipments. You can collaborate with your branches on inquiries and shipments. It has accounting. It has very sophisticated CRM system. You are connected with your agents through Freight Collab, which means it's already connected with the Freight Collab. It has very sophisticated and engaging portal. We use AI on it, and I'm not going to the details of O-Freight because this presentation is not about O-Freight, but I should tell you that Freight Collab members have a special access and discount for the O-Freight. I should tell you that it's also connected to some shipping lines for the bookings and rates. Later, we will have different presentations and events about O-Freight. But back to the Freight Collab, which, as I explained you, is an exclusive network of freight and logistics companies. So we also have certificates that shows that you have complied with the condition of the Freight Collab premium membership. It also gives you a premium badge inside the platform, which gives you a higher status over other members. Also, you have a signature badge that you can use in your emails, and different signature badge are there, so you can choose based on your taste. You have the digital verification code, which you have here as a QR code. When people scan this QR code, they will be transferred to your page, your public page inside the Freight Collab, so they can see that you are a premium member there, and it's a proof of your premium membership. And also we are creating some creative and engaging advertisements for you that we are using in our announcements. Now I'm going to give you some information about our announcement and how our announcements works. When you are becoming a Freight Collab Premium member, we are announcing in our all social media. We are announcing in LinkedIn, in Twitter, in Instagram, in TikTok, and also we are sending too many emails, many emails to many freight and logistics, freight and logistics companies. This is the real numbers of one of our announcements, which we sent around 5,000 emails, around 3,000 emails delivered, and through these 3,000 emails which delivered, 716 emails is open. This is very high percentage. And also from this 716 emails which open, 79 people click on the website of that company. This is so interesting. This is so exciting. And it shows that our marketing strategies for our members is very engaging and it's very practical. As you are here, so you know that we have free webinars, and we have seminars and conferences and events in person. We will have our next conference in the February in Dubai. We are working hard to make it very engaging, to make it tech, to bring the tech ambience to the event. So stay tuned with us, and you will receive the notifications and announcement for the event. Please come to our event and let's see each other in person. So, as I mentioned, Freight Collab is all about making and building relationship. I'm very happy that I'm working in Freight Collab and I'm building Freight Collab because I can see a lot of visionary and futuristic leaders that they like digital technology. They wanted to use the technology for their companies to make their company more sustainable for the future. And I'm very happy to help these companies to meet each other in person and build relationship and grow their business. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time allocating for this event. And I would be very happy to answer any of your questions that you may have. So let's go to the questions, and yeah, I'm going to choose some questions and I will answer questions that I can answer. So let's see. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon. Stay tuned and take care.